Okay, this is going to be my video on the Seth Thomas prospect number 1. I saw a video on YouTube when I was just searching, and I believe it was on Antique Village, and this woman had one of these, and I had no idea what it was called. All I knew was it was a Beehive style or a Gothic style clock. And I searched and searched until I found one, and it turned out I got a pretty good shape one at a really decent price. Here is the Encyclopedia of Antique American Clocks. It's the 2nd edition. It's a few years old, but here we have my clock. Prospect number 1, mahogany Gothic shelf clock, time and strike, circa 1910, and then there's the roundabout value. And this is what we have here. It's got this swings open. It says manufactured in the United States of America. You have one method of your slow and fast adjustment here, which will raise and lower the pendulum, and then of course it says Seth Thomas. And I already described in another video a little bit about the wood inlay, but as you can see, some of it is differently colored, so I'm pretty sure it's not painted on. I think it's wood inlay. It only has one major flaw right now that I can see, and it's this little hole where somebody has screwed a screw too far through the case, which is a shame. And it's got little brass feet all the way around, and I'm going to go around. This thing's pretty sensitive when you twist it around, so I'm just going to get up, move around to the back side. And we'll just undo this, and this will fall open, and ta-da! Let me see if I can just rotate this towards the light. And here we have an 89C movement. There's your gong. And the clock that the woman had that I was watching, hers had a bell, a 30-minute bell that it would hit with a hammer that came out of here and struck it. And I think mine's missing that, because, and you definitely can't see, the shaft that rotates in the middle, I think it's the hour wheel it's attached to. It has a little metal hook that sticks out that pushes up on this lever here, which activates your striking mechanism. Well, there's another one on the shaft back in there for the 30 minutes, but it doesn't engage anything. So I think I'm missing a bell and a hammer off of this clock. I would very much like to get one.